Today we're going to discuss MOF paper solution for class 5th part 1 physics. Let's discuss the very first question, that is, why is windmill considered as a useful energy device? Windmill energy device useful energy device क्यों कंसिडर होगा? क्योंकि विंडमिल के पास विंडमिल टरबाइन होती है और जनरेटर होता है. तो बेसिकली विंडमिल टरबाइन जो होती है वो विंड एनर्जी की जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करती है मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में, और उस फर्दर मैकेनिकल एनर्जी को हम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं थ्रू जनरेटर इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. तो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? इट स्टोर्स केमिकल एनर्जी? नो. इट टर्न्स लाइट इनटू साउंड? नो. It converts wind energy into mechanical energy? Yes, it transforms the the kinetic energy of the wind energy into mechanical energy, which can be further transformed into electrical energy by the generator. So which one is the correct answer? Option C will be the correct answer. Let's discuss another question. Why does a person cooker whistle when food is being cooked? प्रेशर कुकर जो होता है वो बेसिकली विसल कब करता है? जब हम कुक करते हैं फूड को. तो बेसिकली ऐसा होता है कि जब हम प्रेशर कुकर को हीट करते हैं तो उसके अंदर जो वाटर होता है वो हीट होके स्टीम फॉर्म कर लेता है, और वो स्टीम जो होती है बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पे होती है और हाई प्रेशर स्टीम होती है, जिसकी वजह से वो स्टीम रिलीज होने के लिए विसल वॉल को अपलिफ्ट करती है, और जब विसल वॉल अपलिफ्ट होता है तो उसकी वजह से विसल ब्लो करती है और जो एक्सेस स्टीम होती है वो रिलीज हो जाती है, और इसी वजह से विसल ब्लो करता है. तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? यूज ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी, बिकॉज ऑफ साउंड एंड केमिकल एनर्जी, और ड्यू टू हीट एनर्जी बिल्डिंग प्रेशर? यस, ड्यू टू हीट एनर्जी बिल्डिंग प्रेशर. और ये प्रेशर कौन बिल्ड करता है? स्टीम, व्हिच इज इनसाइड द सील्ड प्रेशर कुकर. नेक्स्ट let's discuss another question. Question number 3. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer. Sound travels in vacuum. Does sound really travels in vacuum? No. Sound needs a medium to travel. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, it needs a medium to travel. तो पहले का क्या आंसर हो गया? P is correct with first. Cold objects have no energy. Cold object doesn't have any energy. Yes, even though the cold objects also have some amount of energy. The correct answer will be, this will be matched with, they still have some heat energy. If we talk about the option R, light travels slow in space. Light travels slow in space. Even in space or in vacuum, light travels with the highest possible speed. Do you know what will be the speed of the light in vacuum? It will be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or in terms of kilometer, 3 lakh kilometers per second. The correct answer, it travels fastest in vacuum. Yes. And only battery stores energy? No. Even though the food or a fuel also stores the energy. So what will be the answer? This S will be correct with 4. P के साथ 1, Q के साथ 2, R के साथ 3 और S के साथ 4. Which one will be the correct answer? Option A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's discuss another question. Which of the following uses a chemical energy stored inside to work? इनमें से कौन सा बेसिकली केमिकल एनर्जी को यूज करेगा ताकि वर्क हो सके? देखिए, सोलर एनर्जी, सोलर पैनल्स बेसिकली, do they have chemical energy? No, they transform the light energy into electrical energy. Torch with batteries, yes, batteries have some amount of chemical energy that will be transformed into electrical energy, which can be used by electric bulb to transformed into light energy. So the correct answer will be option B. Let's discuss question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following situation shows both change in shape and a change in motion due to force? यानी हमें एक ऐसा सिचुएशन बतानी है जिसके अंदर फोर्स की वजह से मोशन में भी चेंज आए और साथ में उसकी शेप में भी चेंज आए. लेट्स सी, किकिंग ऑफ फुटबॉल, अगर मैं फुटबॉल को किक करता हूं तो शायद आई थिंक उसके सिर्फ मोशन में चेंज आएगा, उसकी शेप में चेंज नहीं आएगा. स्क्वीजिंग अ रबर बॉल, यस, इफ आई स्क्वीज अ रबर बॉल तो उसकी शेप में चेंज आएगा, उसके मोशन में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. हिटिंग अ मूविंग कार विद अ हैमर, इफ आई हिट अ मूविंग कार विद अ हैमर तो हो सकता है वो जो मूविंग कार है उस कार की शेप डिफॉर्म हो जाए, उसकी शेप चेंज हो जाए, और डेफिनेटली उसके मोशन में भी चेंज आ सकता है. अगर उसके सेम डायरेक्शन, जिस डायरेक्शन में मोशन कर रही है उसी डायरेक्शन में इफ आई हिट दैट कार विद अ हैमर तो डेफिनेटली हो सकता है कि उसकी स्पीड बढ़ जाए, और अगर मैं उसके ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में उसको हिट कर दूंगा तो डेफिनेटली स्पीड रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. तो दोनों चीज किस केस में अराइज हो सकती है? इन ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, assertion and reason. A football lying on the ground will not start moving on its own. अगर कोई फुटबॉल ग्राउंड पे रखी है तो अपने आप मूव करना स्टार्ट नहीं करेगी। ऐसा कौन सा लॉ कहता है? न्यूटन का फर्स्ट लॉ। एज पर न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ, इफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट और इन मोशन इट विल नॉट मूव until and unless external force acts on it. So it means an object continues to stay at rest unless an external force is applied. Yes, it is true. Let's find it out. Is it a correct reason for this statement, assertion? और इसके लिए आपको करना क्या है? assertion को पढ़ना है, लास्ट में because लगाना है और फिर reason पढ़ना है. If you find it best, तो उस केस में आपको आंसर करना है A. लेकिन अगर आपको लग रहा है कि दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स तो सही हैं, लेकिन जो बिकॉज लगाने के बाद ये सेकंड स्टेटमेंट जो है वो एग्जैक्ट रीजन नहीं फाइंड आउट कर रहा है, तो उस केस में ऑप्शन क्या हो जाएगा आपका करेक्ट? बॉम्बे, बी। लेकिन अगर मान लीजिए इनमें से कोई भी एक ऑप्शन गलत होता है तो उस केस में आपका आंसर सी या डी हो सकता है। लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट। अ फुटबॉल लाइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड विल नॉट स्टार्ट मूविंग ऑन इट्स ओन बिकॉज an object continues to stay at rest unless an external force is applied. Yes, it's true. So it means the answer will be option A. Now next question, question number 7. It's a paragraph based question. So here for this paragraph we have two questions, question number 7 and question number 8. Let's discuss question number 7. Where is the geothermal energy found? Geothermal energy हमें कहाँ मिलती है? Let's find it out in the paragraph. Geothermal energy comes from the heat stored deep inside the earth. कहां से मिलती है? Deep inside the earth. Stored deep inside the earth. Can you find the deep inside the earth in the options? Yes, it's here. Because deep inside the earth, this geothermal energy is stored, which will come in contact of water and transforms into steam, which can be further projected on a turbine and electrical energy can be produced. Question number 8. Why is geothermal energy not used everywhere? तो geothermal energy हर जगह क्यों नहीं यूज की जा सकती? Why? Let's find it out in the paragraph. Geothermal energy is a clean and available all the time, but it is only possible in certain areas like volcanic or tectonic zones. तो जहां पे भी वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटीज होती है या टेक्टोनिक जोन्स होते हैं वहां पे हमें जियोथर्मल एनर्जी मिलती है। तो इट सिंपली मींस ये प्लांट या जियोथर्मल एनर्जी जहां से एक्सट्रैक्ट की जा सकती है वो बेसिकली कुछ सर्टेन रीजन में हो सकते हैं। तो लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट which will be the correct answer. Is it too expensive? Yes, it's too expensive, but not, that will be not the correct reason. Is it available only in special region? Yes, it's a correct answer. It's only available in certain region. Let's discuss question number 9, that is assertion and reason based. Hydroelectric power plant uses kinetic energy of flowing water to produce electricity. Yes, hydroelectric power plant जो होते हैं वो basically फ्लोइंग काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ वाटर को यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि डैम्स लगाते हैं, डैम्स के अंदर वाटर स्टोर हो जाता है एट अ सर्टेन हाइट, और जब वाटर स्टोर हो जाता है तो उसके पास दोनों एनर्जी होती है, पोटेंशियल और काइनेटिक। काइनेटिक कब आएगी? जब उसे उस वाटर को फ्लो करवाया जाएगा थ्रू पेन स्टॉक, और उसको फिर किस पे गिराया जाएगा? टरबाइन ब्लेड्स पे, और टरबाइन ब्लेड्स की वजह से टरबाइन क्या करने स्टार्ट कर देगी? रोटेट करना स्टार्ट कर देगी, और जो कि फर्दर कनेक्टेड होती है किससे? जनरेटर से, एंड जनरेटर स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी। नाउ वाटर स्टोर्ड एट हाइट हैज ओनली काइनेटिक एनर्जी। जब हम किसी वाटर को किसी स्टोर करते हैं रिजर्वायर के अंदर, यानी डैम के पास में, डैम के दूसरी साइड में रिजर्वायर होता है और एक दूसरी साइड में टरबाइन ब्लेड्स लगी होती है, टरबाइंस होती हैं बेसिकली। तो जहां पे वाटर स्टोर किया जाता है वहां पे तो वाटर की हाइट बढ़ती जाती है, तो वहां पे उसके पास काइनेटिक एनर्जी नहीं होती। क्या होती है? कौन सी एनर्जी होती है? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। तो यहां पे क्या कह रहा है? हैज ओनली काइनेटिक एनर्जी। तो क्या भैया ये सही है? नहीं, ये गलत है। यहां पे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होनी चाहिए। तो कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है, बट ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है। तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो गया? सी, assertion is true but reason is false. Let's discuss question number 10, that is sequence based. Arrange the flow of energy in a television working with a remote control. What steps we have? Remote sends signal, battery releases electrical energy, TV receives signal, and TV uses electricity to display. So very first step would be battery releases the electrical energy. Very first battery will release the electrical energy which helps remote to send signals. when remote will send a signal, the TV will receive the signals. When the TV will receive the signal, the TV uses electricity to display. Then the TV starts displaying the screen. So what will be the correct answer? The very first, battery releases the electric signal. The very first. Second, the remote will send the signal. Third, the TV will receive the signal. And fourth, this. In this sequence, what we have? 2 and then 1 and 3 and then 4. The correct answer will be 2, 1, 3, 4.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss part 2 chemistry for class 5th. Let's discuss with the questions. Which of these practices is best for reducing waste at home? Let's discuss the option. Option A, burning garbage. No, it is not a correct answer because burning garbage releases more harmful gases and this causes pollution. B, using plastic bags. Again, it is wrong as we know that plastic bags are non-biodegradable. C, reusing and recycling items. Yes, this can be the correct answer because reusing and recycling are the eco-friendly methods. Throwing all waste in one bin. No, it is again wrong. Now, the correct option is option C. Let's discuss the next question. A scientist places a few drops of perfume in one corner of a room. Soon, the scent spreads. Which property of matter does this show? This is about the diffusion of gases. Let's discuss the option. Option A, liquids fill all available spaces. No, it is wrong because this is about the gases. B, solids have fixed volume. No, this is again wrong. Gases fill all available spaces. Yes, this is correct because this is about the diffusion. D, solids cannot be compressed. No, this is again wrong. So the correct answer is option C. Now the next question is, this is match the column and column 1 has P, recycle, Q, natural resources, R, global warming, S, rainwater harvesting. Column 2 has 1, making new items from old ones, second, water, third, caused by excess CO2 and 4 is collecting rain for reuse. Let's match the columns. P, that is recycle, matches with first, making new items from old ones. Q, natural resource, it matches with second, water. R, global warming, that is caused by excess CO2 and R matches with 3. Rainwater harvesting means collecting rain for reuse, so S matches with 4. Let's discuss the options. Option A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the correct answer. Option B, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is wrong. Option C, 3, 1, 4, 2. This is again wrong. Option D, 2, 1, 4, 3. This is again wrong. So the correct answer is option A. Now, the next question is, identify X, Y and Z from the graph. Let's discuss the graph. This is the cooling graph of matter at which at high temperature the particles are far away, that indicate about the gas. When we cool the gas, then particles come closer and it represents as liquid phase. When it is further cooled, then particles come more closer to each other, so it becomes in a solid form. Let's discuss the options. Option A, X, gas, Y, solid. No, Y is liquid, so option A is wrong. B, X, liquid, but X is gas, so B is again wrong. C, X, solid. No, X is gas, so it is again wrong. D, X, gas, Y, liquid and Z, solid. That is the correct answer. So, option D is the correct answer of this question. Now, the next question is, why is it important to protect the ozone layer? Let's discuss the option. It prevents the earth from overheating by reflecting sunlight. Now, it is wrong. B. It blocks harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Yes, this is correct answer. It causes acid rain. No, it is not resembled with the acid rain, so C is not correct. It controls earthquakes. No, it is not again resembled with the earthquakes, so D is again incorrect. So the answer is option B. Now the next question is about assertion reason type. Assertion: water changes into ice when it is cooled to its freezing point. Yes, this is true, as we cool water at its freezing point, then it becomes ice. So it is true. Reason: cooling provides heat, energy, and changes a liquid into solid. No, cooling does not provide heat, but when liquid release some energy, then it becomes cool and can change into its solid form. So this is false. Let's discuss the options. Option A, both assertion and reason are the true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. This is wrong. B, both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. This is again wrong. C, assertion is true and reason is false. Yes, this is the correct answer. D, assertion is false and reason is true. No, this is wrong. So the correct option is option C. Now, the next question is paragraph based. Water is a unique substance. It can exist in all three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. When water is frozen, it becomes ice, a solid that has a fixed shape. When ice melts, it turns into water, which flows and takes the shape of any container. On heating, water changes into steam, a gas that spreads in all directions. These changes happen due to heating or cooling. Let's discuss the question. What happens to water particles when water is heated? When water is heated, then particles get some kinetic energy and they move faster. Let's discuss the options. Option A, they freeze. No, this is wrong. B, they move slower. No, this is again wrong. C, they stop moving. No, this is wrong. D, they move faster. Yes, this is the correct answer. So the option D is correct. Now, next question is, what does the ability of water to exist in all three states tell us about its properties? Let's discuss the option. A, it can only be found in cold regions. No, this is wrong, because water can exist at all places in the form of ice, liquid, and gas. So it is wrong. B, it does not follow the rules of matter. No, it is wrong. It does follow all the rules of matter. C, it responds to temperature changes in a predictable way. Yes, this is correct option, because when water is heated, then it becomes in steam, and after cooling it becomes in ice. So this is correct. D, it is not affected by heating or cooling. No, it is wrong, because water affected by the cooling and heating. Now, the next question is assertion: the use of chemical fertilizers improves long-term soil health. Yes, this is false statement, as chemical fertilizers are non-biodegradable and they do not improve long-term soil health, but they decrease the health. reason they can disrupt the natural balance of the soil ecosystem. Yes, this is true. So let's discuss the options. Option A, both assertion and reason are the true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. No, this is wrong. Both assertion and reason are the true but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. No, this is wrong. Assertion is true and reason is false. This is again wrong. Assertion is false, reason is true, this is correct. So the answer is option D. Now the next question is, this is sequence based. Stages of decomposition of a dead plant are, and there are 4 stages given. P, nutrients are released into the soil. Q, fungi and bacteria break down the organic matter. R, dead plants falls to the ground. S, decomposers feed on the dead materials. Which list shows the stages in the correct order? Let's choose the correct order. We can take first stage R, that is dead plants falls to the ground. Now after this we can choose S, that is decomposers feed on the dead materials. After this we can take Q, that is fungi and bacteria break down the organic matter. And at last we can take P, which is nutrients are released into the soil. Let's discuss the option. Option A, RSQP. Yes, RSQP, it is the correct order of the stages. So option A is the correct. B, PRQS, this is wrong. C, RPQS, this is again wrong. D, PQSR, this is again wrong. So the answer is option A. This is the part 2 chemistry for class 5th. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉग इन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 5th biology portion. Let's start. First question for biology. Name the part which has been indicated by letter X in the following figure. In given diagram, X indicate for option A left auricle, option B left ventricle, C right auricle, D right ventricle. According to diagram, two sides, left and right. Left side, upper side is left auricle, lower is left ventricle, and this side is right auricle, and this one is right ventricle. So according to this figure, X indicate this one, left ventricle. according to option, left ventricle in option B. So our right answer for this question is option B. Next, the organ X shown in the figure given below carry air from buccal cavity to lungs. From buccal cavity to lungs. This X is trachea. This one is buccal cavity. This one is trachea, and these two structure are lungs, right and left side. So according to option, rib cage, no. Food pipe, no. That help in transfer of food from buccal cavity to stomach. Trachea, that is right. Our option C is correct answer for this question. Next, match column first and second. Select the correct answer using the code given the below. Column first and column second according to diagram. X, V, Z, Y and W in column first, and column second is type of joints between bones. X structure skull and that is backbone. So X is pivot joint. Movement of pivot joint is this side, and upper and down side. Next, Z and W. Z and W. This movement in one direction only, not left side, not back side, not right side, only one direction. That is hinge joint. Similar in fit, W is hinge joint. So Z and W match with second hinge joint. V present at the point of shoulder. That is 360 movement. 360 movement for ball and socket joint. And last, V and W. V present at similar ball and socket joint, and W is hinge joint. So we call dissimilar type of joint. Match with third. So our matching is 4, 2, 1 and 3. And our correct option is option D. 4, 2, 1, 3 is the right answer for this. Match the following. Next question is, which of these do not have a regular cell structure? Bacterial cell have regular structure. Virus have different kind of structure. No regular structure, different kind of structure. Algae have a specific structure in different classes. And fungus also have specific filament structure, cell structure, but virus is the correct answer according to question that do not have a regular cell structure because it change and show variation according to condition or situation. So right answer is virus. Next, which of the following disease is not caused by bacteria? From 4 option, 1 is not caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis caused by bacteria. Typhoid by Salmonella typhi bacteria. Cholera by bacteria. But anemia is disease by deficiency of RBC. So correct answer is option D. D is not caused by bacteria. Option D is correct for this question. Next, assertion, reason. Assertion A, the excretory system remove carbon dioxide from body. This is wrong because carbon dioxide removed by respiratory system. Respiratory system. So this assertion is wrong. Reason: the lungs, not the kidney. The lungs, not the kidney, help remove carbon dioxide. Lungs help remove carbon dioxide. This reason is right. So, according to options, assertion wrong, reason right. Assertion false, reason right. Option D is correct answer for this question. Next, paragraph for 27 and 28th question. Microorganism are tiny structures that are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes, right? They live all around us in water, air, soil, and even inside our body. Present in position of intestine. Between the large and small intestine, a appendix is present that contain microbes. Some microorganisms help us in many ways, while other can cause disease. Organisms help us, like example, curd. Lactobacillus used in daily life. Next, scientists use special tool like microscope for observe the tiny structure, tiny bacteria, microbes. Observe them and study their shape and behavior. According to this paragraph, question is, microorganism can be best described as always harmful to human? No, it's helpful. Visible to the naked eye? No. Useful and harmful tiny living thing. This option C is correct according to paragraph. Useful, helpful, harmful, and cause disease like typhoid. Only found in dirty place? No. Present in intestine. So our option C is correct answer for this 27th. Next, why do scientists study microbe under a microscope? Because these are tiny living thing. Because they are danger? No. Because they are invisible to the eye? Because they are very noisy? No. Because they are colorful? No. So our correct option is B. B is right answer for this question. Next, assertion A, yeast. Microbe, fungi. Example of fungus. Yeast is baker yeast and brewer's yeast. Yeast is used in baking because it helps make the dough rise. Reason: yeast produce gas, CO2 gas, when it eat sugar. Yeast eat sugar, which cause the dough to become fluffy, soft. Used in bread formation, pav formation, used in pav bhaji. So, according to assertion and reason, assertion A is correct and reason is also correct for this. So, according to this condition, both assertion A and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. This is right option for 29th question, because yeast used in bakery product, so called baker's yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae used in bakery product. And reason: yeast produce gas, carbon dioxide for fluffy condition, responsible for fluffy condition. So right answer is option A. Next question. Which sequence correctly describe how the brain sends signal to the body? according to options, brain, spinal cord, and next nerve, and next effective part or muscle part, effective part or muscle part. So muscle, brain, transfer signal to spinal cord, then nerve system, then muscles. According to option, brain, muscle, no. Brain, nerve, spinal cord, no. Brain, spinal cord, nerve, muscle. This is right option for this question. These are the all solution for biology portion for class 5th. Thank you, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more update. Thank you.
Once again, hello everyone, welcome back to our Matrix High School platform on YouTube. Today we are here to discuss about the paper solution of MOF for class 5th, which was held on October 5th, 2025. And today we are here to discuss the fourth part of your paper, which is section of mathematics. And for your kind information everyone, Matrix is known as for mathematics. So look at the questions and look at the solutions very carefully. So in the examination you face 20 question of mathematics, and this is your first question according to mathematics and question number 31 according to your paper. So in this question, what is the requirement of question? Question say, how many number of angles are formed in the given figure? That means what we find out in this question? We find out the number of angles. Okay. So we know what is the angle. Angle is the corner between two lines, rays or line segments. Got it? So here we have 4 lines. So basically we are having a common formula whenever we find out the number of angles with the number of ray. The formula is number of angles is equal to n minus 1, and n means number of ray. This is the basic formula. Here we have number of ray is first, second, third and fourth. So how to sort out it? We put the value of ray is 4. Again 4 minus 1. So 4, sort out the bracket. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 3s are 12. So number of angles are 12. It means the correct option is option B. Let's take it practically. Look at here. You can make the first angle from this 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? We don't take this one because this is the only angle between one ray, and one ray is not able for make a angle. We want to take 2 ray. So first is this, second one is this, and third one is this. It means one ray makes 3 angle, and here we have number of rays are 4. It means 4 ray makes 3 4s are 12 angles. So it's up to you how to sort out it and how to solve it. You make and you use formula and direct practical theory. Okay dear students, so next we have question number 32 which you face in the examination, and question number 32 is the based on step and sequence based question. It means we are having 4 different steps, and the need of question is that you arrange all the steps in proper sequence. So arrange the steps to identify rays in a real life situation. It means all 4 steps are depend on ray. So the first need is that you want to know about the concept of ray, because whenever we don't know about ray, then we can't say anything about it. So it means the first step is understand the concept of ray. It is the first step. Okay. And whenever you know about it, the ray moving endlessly in one direction, it has one end point. Then what you do? You look for objects which relate with ray, and starting at a point and going in one direction. Yes or no? It means what we do whenever we know about the ray, then what we do? We look for the objects. It is the step number 2. Observe example like torchlight, sun rays, because whenever we look around in the environment, then what we discuss about the different kind of examples like torchlight, sun rays, and we think about it. It means first of all understand the concept of ray. After that, look for objects and observe the example of sun rays and torchlight, whatever. It means the third step is step Q. Got it? Match the real life examples to the definition. It means whenever you know about the ray, you look the objects, you compare the general examples, then you compare the definition and real life situation examples with the concept of ray. It means this is the fourth point. So this is the proper sequence RPQS, and it is the RPQS. Option D is the correct option. Let's come to the next question. We are having the sum of the predecessor and successor of the greatest two-digit number is. Look at here. If you want to find out sum for what? Predecessor and successor of greatest two-digit number. So here we have three things. First one is predecessor, second one is successor, and last one is two-digit greatest number. So first of all, think about the greatest two-digit number. We know very well 100 is the smallest three-digit number, and before the 100 we are having greatest two-digit number, and it is 99. Yes or no? And what is the need of question? Question want to find out the sum. For what? Predecessor of 99 and successor of 99. Predecessor means previous number. It means -1. And successor means next number. It means +1 in any number. So first of all, predecessor of 99 is 99 minus 1. And successor of 99 is 99 plus 1. And question want the sum of both of them. Yes or no? So 99 minus 1 is 98 and 99 plus 1 is 100. So the resulted answer of both of them is 198. It means the correct option is option B. Next, come to the next question. And the next question is question number 34. Volume of a cuboid is calculated by multiplying all its edges. Dear students, edges means like that. A cuboid has 12 edges, 4 heights like that, 4 length like that, and 4 breadth like that. And you know very well what is the formula of volume of a cuboid. It is length multiply breadth multiply height. We don't multiply all edges. We multiplied only 3 different edges like length, breadth and height. It means this is the wrong statement according to the formula of volume. We don't take all edges, we takes only 3 different edges like length, breadth or height one times only. Okay, so it is false. The reason is a cuboid has 3 different dimension, length, breadth and height. Yes, this is 3 different dimension. It is correct. Yes or no? But in this question, this is no any specific information about the formula of volume of cuboid. It means reason is not proper explanation for that question. It is correct but not proper explanation. Got it? So assertion A is false and reason R is true only. So assertion A is false and reason R is true. This is the correct option for question number 34. So the next is question number 35, and in this question this is a arithmetic operation based question, right? So if L denotes multiplication, M denotes division, N denotes subtraction and Q denotes addition, then find the value of this question. Look at here. What we have? We have 85 M 17. M means division. Yes or no? So 85 divided by which number? 17. After that we are having L. and L denotes multiplication. That means multiplied by next number is 4. After that we are having the code of is Q. Okay, so Q denotes addition. So the next one is addition with 18. And after that we are having N, and N denotes subtraction. Okay, and subtracted by 5. So we are having, this is particular question, and we know very well whenever we are having all the symbols like operation, plus, minus, division, multiplication, then which method we use? We use BODMAS method. Okay, and according to BODMAS, we know very well the first step of calculation based on bracket, after that off, after that division, in the second, after that multiplication, and in the second last step we are doing addition, and in the end we are doing subtraction. Yes, so you can see here there are no bracket are available and no off are available. It means the first step is division. You can see here, this is division portion. Yes or no? And whenever 85 divided by 17, then it is properly divided by 17 by 5 times. Got it? The next terms are 4, 18 minus 5. Okay. After the division, we are doing multiplication. It means 5 4s are 20. And in the end, we are having addition or subtraction. After that, we are doing addition. 20 plus 18, these takes 38. And in the end, we are having subtraction in the last step. And whenever we do subtraction, 38 minus 5, the resulted answer is 33. It means the correct answer is option D for the question number 35. Got it? Next, come to the next question, everyone. So next we have question number 36, which you face in the examination, everyone. Which of the following statements is true and false? It means here we have different type of statements, and the requirement of question is the classification of true or false. So look at here. The LCM of two even numbers is their product. So let's we take the example of two even number like 2 and 4, and whenever we find out the LCM of both of them, what we do? We use prime factorization method for both of them. So we take 2 and 4 both. First of all we take 2, then 2 divided by 2 by 1 time, and 4 divided by 2 it's by 2 time. Next we again take 2, 1 is same as take their place, and 2 divided by 2, then we get 1. The multiplication of both of the factors, this is the 2 multiplied by 2, and it is the LCM of the both numbers. So the resulted answer is 4. So that means the LCM of two even number like as 2 and 4 is 4. And you can see here, this is not their product, because product means multiplication of both of them. And whenever you multiply 2 and 4 both, then the resulted answer is 8. But their LCM is 4, not 8. It means this is the false statement. So the LCM of two even number is not their product. Got it? So this is the false statement. Let's come to the second point. And second point, it say, look at here, the LCM of two number is always greater than either of the numbers. Dear students, remember it. Whenever we take 2 and 4, then we get their LCM is 4. Yes or no? In the previous point. Yes. And look at here. The LCM of two numbers. Here we take two numbers and their LCM is 4. Okay. Is always greater than either of the numbers. 4 is greater than by 2. Yes, it is correct. But 4 is not greater than by 4. It means it is not always possible. That means LCM is not always greater of both of the number. Sometimes it is equal to the greater number. Got it? So there is always is a problem. That means this is the false statement. Sometime it is greater and sometime it is equal to the greater number. Got it? So first one is false and second one is also false. Got it? So next we have the LCM of two prime numbers is always their product. Look at here. We takes two prime number like 3 and 5. Got it? We know very well the prime number have no any common factor with other. Got it? Here we say the 3 and the 5 is not having the common factor. Then how to find out their LCM? We multiply both of them and we get 15 as the LCM. So we say properly and we say it very well. The LCM of two prime numbers is always their product. This is the correct point. It means this is true. The next one is, if one of the two number is a factor of other, then the LCM is always equal to the factor. Dear students, here you can see here, whenever we take 2 and 4, then we get LCM as a 4. Whenever we take number as a 2 and 4, then we get their LCM is 4. Look at here. The factor of 2 is 2 multiplied by 1. Yes or no? The factor of 2 is 1 and 2. And the factor of 4 is 2, 1 and 4. It means here we have 3 type of factors. Got it? So you can see here, the 2 is common factor of both of the numbers. But this is not LCM. This is not LCM. The common factor of two number is known as their HCF, not LCM. It means the one of two number is the factor of other, then their LCM is always equal to the factor. No, the factor is equal to their HCF, not LCM. It means this is also false for LCM. Got it? So the corrected answer is false, false, true and false. Look at the options: false, false, true, false. The option A is the correct for question number 36. Let's come to the next question. Next we are question number 37, and in the question number 37, what is the LCM of two consecutive odd number? Let's take two consecutive odd number. First one is 3 and second one is 5. First one is 3 and second one is 5. You can see here, the two consecutive number is not have a common factor. Yes or no? So whenever we find out the LCM of both of them, what we do? We multiplied number with each other. Then we get their LCM because they are not having a common factor. So we say their product is the LCM of both of them. Got it? So the correct answer is option A. Next, come to the next question. Next we have question number 38 and 39, which is depends on the same paragraph. That means both of the depend on paragraph based question. So what is the need of this question? Question says, first of all, look at the paragraph, read it very carefully. After that, think about the question which is based on this. So first of all, read the paragraph very carefully, everyone. What it say? A bus started its journey and reached different place with a speed of 50 km per hour. That means the speed is 50 km per hour. And journey is shown below. It means this is the proper procedure. Whenever bus started from point A and return back to point A again. Got it? So the first question is that the total distance covered by the bus if it starts from A and return back to A. That means we want to find out, according to question number 38, the total distance in the journey. The total distance in whole journey. So look at here. The distance covered from point A to B. This is 400 km. After that, the distance between B to C is 350 km. Okay, 350 km. Now we have the distance between C and D is 210 kilometers. Got it? The next one, distance between D to E is 800 km. Okay. And the last, whenever we return back to point A from point E, then cover distance is 150 km. Okay. So this is the total distance. Got it? Let's add both of them. So the distance unit is kilometer. 0, 0, 0 is 0. Got it? Next we have 5 and 1, 6. 6 and 5 is 11. So the next carry is 1. And whenever we add 1 and 4, it's 5, 5 and 3 is 8, 8 and 2 it's 10, 10 and 8 is 18, 18 and 1 is 19. So the total covered distance in whole journey is 1910 kilometer, and the option D represents it. It means the option D is the correct option for question number 38. So now we discuss the question number 39, which is based on the same paragraph of question number 38. So let's again read the paragraph very carefully because we are having a different question. The bus started its journey and reached the different place with the same speed. It is the 50 km per hour. The journey is shown below like that, which is we discussed in the previous questions also. So the time taken by the bus to reach B from A. It means here we have distance. Yes or no? Distance between both of the stations like A to B, it is 400 km. That means we are having distance is equal to 400 km from A to B. From station A to B, the total covered distance by bus is 400 km. And you know very well the speed is 50 km per hour. That means the uniform speed of bus is equal to 50 km per hour. And here we have the formula of time whenever we have distance and speed in the particular situation. Then time is equal to distance upon speed. So let's put the values. Distance is 400 km and the speed is 50. So 0 cut out by 0 properly. And whenever 40 divided by 5, then you know very well the resulted answer is 8 hours. It means whenever bus reach at the point B from point A, it takes 8 hours with 50 km per hour speed and covered distance is 400 km. So the correct option is option B, which represent the answer as 8 hours. Got it? Let's come to the next question. So next we have question number 40 and it is based on column first and column second. It means match of the following type question. So match the column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Look at here. Here we have right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and complete angle. Dear students, complete angle means a complete revolution. It means a complete circle. Look at here. This is a complete angle. It is depend on the 4 different quadrant. Quadrant first, quadrant second, quadrant third and quadrant fourth. And it is known as complete revolution. Got it? So what you say? You say the 90 degree is the 1/4 of revolution. 1/4 of one revolution. Got it? And 180 degree is half of one revolution. 1/4 and 1/4, it means 180 degree. It means a straight angle represent the half revolution. Got it? And the 360 degree, it means the complete revolution is equal to 360 degree. So look at all the points. Right angle. Right angle means 1/4 of revolution. The part of 1/4 in a one revolution. So look at here. Right angle means 1/4 of revolution. Got it? Next one is acute angle. Dear students, you know very well. If this is 90 degree, then acute angle is always less than 90 degree and greater than 0. It means it is between 1/4 and 0. It means it is always less than 1/4 and greater than 0. That means acute angle is less than 1/4 of revolution. Got it? It means it is always less than 1/4 of revolution and lies between 0 to 90 degree. Next we have obtuse angle. Dear students, obtuse angle means if an angle is less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. That means if this is 90 degree, then obtuse angle like that, greater than 90 degree. And if it is 180 degree, then it is always less than 180 degree. That means the obtuse angle is always between 1/4 revolution and half revolution. So obtuse angle lies between 1/4 and half of a revolution. It is clear? Next we have point number S, a complete angle. Look at here. Whenever we add 4 right angle, like first, second, third and fourth, whenever we have 4 right angle, then we make a complete revolution or complete angle. That means complete angle is equal to 4 right angles. Got it? So the point S directly meet with point 4. So here we say the P meet with 3 and Q join with 2 and point R join with point 1 and point S directly join with point 4. So look at here, 3, 2, 1, 4. That means the correct option is option A, which is satisfied the question properly. Let's come to the next question. So the next question is question number 41. The length of a given rectangular field is decreased by 6 meter. Find its new width if the area remains unchanged. It means area are not affected whenever we change the length of the rectangle. Got it? So first of all, you can see the first length is 48 meter in the starting time and the breadth is 35 centimeter. We know very well area is equal to length multiply breadth. Area is equal to length multiply breadth for rectangle. So find out the area. Find out the area. What is the starting length? The length is 48 meter. The length is 48 multiplied by breadth and breadth is 35 meter. Whenever we multiplied both of them, then 35 8s are 280. 35 8s are 280. So we takes 0 as a unit digit and 28 as a carry. 35 4s are I think 140 and 140 plus 28 is equal to 168. So this is the total area of the rectangular field. Got it? And what is the changes in the rectangular field? We are decreased the length by 6 meter. It means we decrease length by 6 meters. So the new length is 42 meter. Got it? The new length is 42 meter. You can see here. The area is the same. So the starting area is equal to new area. Yes or no? Starting area is 1680 meter square is equal to new area depends on new length and new breadth. We don't know about new breadth, so we takes B as a new breadth. Whenever we change the place of 42 from right to the left, the symbol is also changed. Okay, 42 goes in the division. Whenever we divide 1680 by 42, then you see here 1680 divided by 42, then we got breadth. Look at here, it is cut out by the table of 6. So 6 7s are 42, 6 2s are 12, we have 4 as a remainder and we takes 8 as the next digit, then we got 48 and 6 8s are 48 and the remaining digit is 0. Again we divided 280 by 7, then we got 7 4s are 28 and the remaining digit is 0. Then the answer is 40. It means the breadth is 40. So you can see here the correct option is option C. So the new breadth for the rectangular field is 40 meter whenever the area is unchanged. Let's come to the next question, everyone. So the next question is question number 42. Look at here. Arrange the following number. Arrange the following number in order from list to greatest LCM tapes given number. It means what we do, we find out all the LCMs of each point and after that we are arranging in the list to greatest. It means ascending order, smaller to greater. Look at here. The LCM 4 and 6 is, we will find out here the LCM of 4 and 6. First of all, divided by 2 because both are divided by 2. So we are having 2 and 3. Again we divided it by 2 because 2 is divided by 2. Then we are having 1 or 3. And again we are divided it by 3. Then we got 1 and 1. The LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. It means the LCM is 12 for point P. Okay. 5 and 10. We are solve it here. 5 and 10 divided by 2, because 10 divided by 2 properly. 5 is not divided, it is odd number. 10 divided by 2 5 times. Again we takes 5, then we get 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 5 and it is 2 5s are 10. 3 and 9. So we find out the LCM of 3 and 9. Okay, let's take 3 and 9 is here. So we takes 3 because we don't take 2. This is the even number and here we have 2 odd numbers. So we take 3. 3 divided by 3 with 1. And whenever 9 divided by 3, then we got 3. Again we takes 3, then we got 1 and 1. The LCM is 3 multiplied by 3. It is the 9. So the resulted answer is 9 for the LCM. The next is A, I think S, and we are having 2 numbers in S. The numbers are, you can see here, the numbers are 2 and 8. Look, first of all, we divided it by 2. Then 1 and 4. Again, we divided it by 2 once again. Then we got 1 and 2 because whenever 4 divided by 2, then the result is 2. Again, we divide it by 2 because here is 2 and 2 divided by 2 one time. Got it? So the LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. The resulted answer is 8. It means these are the answers of the LCM of the number. Look at here. Whenever we arrange all of the number in ascending order, then smaller number is 8. It means S. After the 8, we are having 9 as a smaller number. After the 9, we are having 10. And after the 10, we are having 12. It means the proper arrangement is SRQP. Because we are arranged it in list to greatest, smaller to greater. So, SRQP. The SRQP are here. It means option B is the correct option. Let's come to the next question, everyone. So, the next question is question number 43, and according to this question, we are having a cuboid, and in the cuboid, we are having a cube. So, what is the requirement of question? How many centimeter cubes would fit inside the larger cuboid? Look at here. Whenever we fill a 3D shape in another 3D shape, then the volume of bigger shape is equal to the volume of all those smaller shape. It means volume remains same. And whenever we find out the number of smaller shape, what we do? We divide the total volume with the smaller shape's volume. It means the number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cube, because all cube are similar, okay, and volumes are maintain all the total part of the 3D shape, okay. So whenever we make it properly, then we know very well the length according to the figure. We are having 3 dimensions. First one is length. This is 8 centimeter. Next is the height. This is 6 centimeter. And this is the breadth for the cuboid is 4 centimeter. And we know the volume of cuboid is length multiply breadth multiply height. And volume of cube is side multiply side. So we put out the values of the formula in the calculation. Okay. First of all, look at the length of the cuboid. You can see here the length is 8 centimeter. Yes or no? So put out the value of length as a 8 centimeter. The height is I think 6 centimeter because here is the mention also. So put the value of height. After that we put out the breadth, and breadth is the 4 centimeter. So we put out the value of breadth. And side of cube, we know very well in the cube the length, breadth and height are similar, and it is 2 according to the figure. So we put out the value of side. Okay. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is 8, and 8 and 8 directly cancel out. Yes or no? So the remaining answer is 4 multiply 6. So the resulted answer is 4 6 are 24. It means number of cubes are 24, which are properly filled in the particular cuboid which we have. So the answer is 24. It is the option B. Let's come to the next question, everyone. This is the assertion and reason based question, and it is very helpful in competitive examination. What it say? If the cost of one glass tumbler is rupees 25, it means the cost of one glass is rupees 25. So we are having cost of one glass is equal to 25 rupees. For such glass cost rupees 100. It means the cost of 4 glass. Cost of 4 glasses is equal to 25 multiply 4. Yes or no? Because whenever we find out the total cost of a similar product, then what we do, multiply the number of product with the money of each product. Okay. So cost of one glass is 25. That means the cost of 4 glass is 25 multiplied by 4. So it is 25 4s are 100 rupees. And according to the assertion, it is 100 rupees. It means it is correct. And what is the reason? Cost is calculated by multiplying price per item by number of item. Yes, this is the proper reason, because look at here what we do. We multiplied the price of each glass with the number of glass. Yes or no? So if we find out the total cost whenever we are having the same item, then what we do, cost is calculated by the multiplying price per item by the number of items. So this is the correct explanation for the assertion. It means assertion is true, reason is also true, and reason is proper explanation for the assertion. Look at the option. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the correct answer. Next, come to the next question. You can see here we are having question number 45 for the next question. So question is, Rashi drew the line segment show here. Rashi drew some line segment like that. Okay. There are, I think, 4 line segments are there. Which of the following appear to be perpendicular? What is the basic need for perpendicular line segment? We know very well, the line segment, they make the 90 degree on the intersecting point. Then we say those are the perpendicular each other. That means they makes a angle of 90 degree. Then we say they make perpendicular line segments. Okay, look at here. Here we have 4 line segment. First one is MN, second one is TV, third one is PQ, and last one is RS. You can see here, there are only 190 degree which we have, and it is between RS and TV. So 90 degree makes only 2 line segment. Which one? The first one is RS and second one is TV. That means these are the perpendicular line segment. Yes or no? So let's see the option which is correct according to our concept of the perpendicular line segments. We can see here we are having RS and TV. You can see here RS and TV, and this is the correct option because these line segments make the angle of 90 degree which you face in the figure, and there are no any 90 degree or right angle is here whenever we say these are the perpendicular line segment. Okay, so the correct option is RS line segment and line segment TV. These are the perpendicular. Let's come to the next question. In the question number 46, what is the need of question? Question say which of the following statement is true or false. It means there are some statement. First of all, we think about all those statements, these are true or not. After that, we are discussing about their statements. Okay, so think here. The perimeter of a square whose area is 25 centimeters square. Dear student, we know very well area of square is side multiplied by side. So whenever it is 25 centimeter square, that means A multiply A is equal to 25 centimeter square. A multiply A means A square is equal to 25. Whenever we find out A, then what is the process? We find out the square root of another side. We find out the square root the another side. Got it? So find out the square root of 25. It is 5 centimeter. That means the side is 5 centimeter. Look at here. If a square is with the side of a 5 centimeter, then how to find out the perimeter? We know very well the formula of a perimeter is 4 multiply side. In which shape? In the square only. Then what we do? We take out the value of side in the formula and find out the resulted perimeter. And this is the 20 centimeter according to the given values. So according to the statement, it is also 20 centimeter, because what is the statement say? If the area of square is 25 centimeter square, then the perimeter is 20 centimeter. Yes, this is correct. Okay, so remember, the first point is true. Got it? Next, come to the second point. If the side of a square is doubled, listen. First of all, the side is A, and in the second case, we make it double. Okay. The perimeter of the square is halved. Listen very carefully. We know very well the perimeter is 4 multiply side. Yes or no? And whenever we put out the same formula in this question, then 4 multiplied side, it means the side is 2A is equal to 4 2s are 8, then 8 multiply A. We take 8 as a 2 multiply 4. Then we make it as a 2 multiply 4. So look at here. The first perimeter is 4 multiply side. It is also 4 multiply side, but it is not halved. It is doubled. Whenever we make its side doubled, then perimeter is also doubled, not a half. So it is false statement. So first one is true and second one is false. Okay. Let's come to the next point. The breadth of a rectangle of area 24 centimeter square and length 8 centimeter is 6 centimeter. We know very well the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. Yes or no? So area is 24. Okay, 24 centimeter square. The length is 8. Okay, put the value of length as a 8 and breadth is 6. Okay, whenever we multiply length and breadth, then the resulted answer is 48 centimeter square, and we all know very well both are not equal. It means whenever the length is 8 or breadth is 6 centimeter, then the area of rectangle is 48 centimeter square, not 24 centimeter square. It means this is false once again. Okay, next point is point number 4, and it is the last point of this question. If we need to find the cost of leveling a square playground, we need to find its perimeter. Dear students, leveling depends on the total surface of any shape. It is not depend on boundary. Okay, because leveling means the cover total surface of the shape. So we know very well perimeter depends on boundary only. Yes or no? And area depends on total surface. So whenever we find out the leveling cost, then we use area, not perimeter. It means this is also false because here is perimeter. Got it? So the correct answer is true, false, false, false. True, false, false, false. Option B is the correct answer. Let's come to the question number 47. So this is the question number 47 which you face in the examination. A number leaves a remainder of 1 when divided by 2, 3 and 4. What is the smallest such number? Dear students, look at the options. Okay, you can see here there is 2 even number, and we know very well whenever 2 divided by even number, then this is properly divided by 2, then not leaves the remainder 1. It means both are the wrong answers. Got it? This is a common sense based question. Got it? Listen, the next options are C or D. Whenever 2 divided by 13, okay, 2 divided by 13, then we get remainder 1. It is satisfied, yes or no? And whenever 15 divided by 2, then it is also gives remainder 1. Again, it means these are the satisfied for 2. But this is not sufficient. We check it on 3 also. Whenever 3 divides 13, then 13 divided by 3, then resulted answer is also remainder as a 1. It means 13 satisfied 3 for as the concept of a remainder. Okay. And whenever 15 divided by 3, okay, so let's divide 15 by 3, then you know very well the remainder is 0 because 15 properly divided by 3. It means 15 don't remains remainder 1. So finally we say the 13 is only one number which gives the remainder 1 whenever it is divided by 2, 3 or 4. Some students think whenever we don't take 4 in this particular resulted answer. Dear students, 13, whenever you divide 13 by 4, then you see what you see. 3 4s are 12. It means 4 3s are 12 also. Then the remainder is 1. So we say 13 is a specific number in the 4 options which gives remainder 1 whenever you divide it by 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is 13 and 13 is in option C. So the option C is the correct answer for question number 47. Let's come to the next question. Question number 48 and 49 depend on the paragraph. Okay, so first need is that read paragraph very carefully. After that, think about the given value and in the end, discuss about the required value. Look at here. 2 plots of land have same perimeter. It means there are 2 plots. Which kind of shapes? One is a square of side 40 meter. Okay. First one is a square. First one is like square which side is 40 meter. While the other is rectangle was breadth is 15 meter. Other one is rectangle. Okay. Was breadth is 15 meter. Okay. And according to the first statement, they have same perimeter. Yes or no? And look at here, the side of square is 40 meter. We know very well, the perimeter of square is 4 multiply side. Yes or no? So, 4 multiplied, side is 40, so 40. So, resulted perimeter is 160 meter. And according to question, the land have same perimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle plot is also 160 meter. We know very well the perimeters formula in rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Yes or no? So put the value 2. Length, we don't know about the length. We know about only breadth. Then we take 15 plus length and put the value of perimeter. It is 160. It is 160. Got it? So you can see here whenever 2 goes from the right to left side, it is goes as a divide. So 160 divided by 2, we are having 15 plus length. 160 divided by 2, then we get 80. We get 80. Here we have 15 plus length. Whenever we change the place of 15 from right to left, again it is change its sign like plus to minus. Then length is equal to 18 minus 15. So the resulted length is 65 meter. So what is the length of rectangular plot? The length is 65 weight. Sometimes we take some mischoice. For why? Look at here. The resulted answer in meter. Got it? Here we have 2 options for 65. First one has a centimeter. Second one has meter. So sometimes we take overconfident and we select a wrong option. So remember very carefully. Take some patience. So the correct answer is option D. And the option D has 65 meter. This is the correct answer for this question. Let's come to the next question based on the same paragraph. Look. This is the question number 49. We are having same paragraph here. What is the area of square plot? Look at here. What is the area of square plot? You think about the deep discussion. No, there is no requirement. Why? Because we know very well squares sides is given. Yes or no? And we know area of a square is equal to side square or side multiply by side. So we want to find out the area of square. So let's make 40 square, and it is 40 multiply 40. We know very well 4 4s are 16, and we have 2 0. Let's take 2 0. It is 1600. So the resulted answer is 1600 meter square. So you can see here, this is the 1600 meter square. So this is the correct answer for the question number 49. Let's come to the next question, and I think this is the last question for your paper solution. Let's come to the last question of the paper, and it is depend on the match of the followings. So what? Match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. Look at the very carefully, dear students. What it say? 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. You know very well, if a cube has its side 1, then the volume of cube is a side cube. Then 1 centimeters cube is 1 cubic centimeter. It means 1 cubic centimeter is the volume of a cube of side 1 centimeter. That means P match to the point number 4. Got it? So let's come to the point Q. Volume of a cube of side 3. We know very well, volume is equal to side multiply side, and we are having side as a 3 centimeter. So 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. It means the correct answer is 27, and the unit of volume is centimeter cube whenever side is in centimeter. So the resulted answer is 20 centimeter cube. Let's come to the point R. You can see here we are having 10 liters. You can see here 10 liter. You know very well 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. You and me also know about it. Whenever we find out 10 liter means multiplied by 10 to left side, then again we multiplied by 10 to right side. The resulted answer is 10,000 ml. So we are having 10,000 ml in the second point. So the remaining one match to the point first. For why? 1 cubic decimeter. We know very well decimeter means 10 centimeter. So cubic decimeter means 10 cube centimeter. Yes or no? 10 cube centimeter. It means whenever we find out the cube of 10 centimeter, the resulted answer is centimeter cube. Okay. And cube of 10 is 1000. And this is the 1000 centimeter cube. So you know about all the answers, how we select and how we collect and how we count about it. So look at that. We know P match to the 4. P match to the 4. This is very easy options. Whenever you find out only first, then you know about the correct answer. So 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the correct sequence, because here is the only B option whenever we match P as a 4 in the only option B. Okay, so this is the correct option, everyone. So first of all, very all the best for upcoming examinations, and second thing is that revise all the answers properly. Thank you and all the best.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 5 October 2025. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. What should come in place of the question mark in the following series? So we have a number series 14, 16, 19, 23, 28. After 28 next number is missing. So first find the pattern. So 14 to 16 it means adding 2, 16 to 19 it means adding 3, 19 to 23 it means adding 4, 23 to 28 it means adding 5. So pattern is 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 now plus 6. 28 plus 6 it means 34. So 34 is the next number of given number series. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. We have a letter series Z, W, T, Q. Next is missing. So first find the pattern. So place value of Z is 26 in English alphabet. Similarly, place value of W is 23. Place value of T is 20. Place value of Q is 17. So now pattern is 26 minus 3 it means 23. 23 minus 3 it means 20. 20 minus 3 it means 17. Similarly 17 minus 3 it means 14. So it means N, because place value of N is 14 in English alphabet. So first missing letter is N. Now 14 minus 3 it means 11. 11 it means K, because place value of K is 11 in English alphabet. So here N and K are the two next term of given letter series. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. In alphabet series, some alphabets are missing which are given in that order as one of the alternative below it. Choose the correct alternative. In this questions, options are taking one by one and then check which option is forming a correct or defined pattern. So taking option A. So now according to option A, first blank it means A, second blank it means B, third blank it means B, fourth means B, and fifth it means A. So now check the pattern. So pattern is AB, 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 BB, A, and AB. So no defined pattern was found from this option. So option A is the incorrect option. Now taking option B. So option B it means B, B, A, B, A. So now check the pattern. Double B, A, B, double A, double B, double A, A, B. So no defined pattern was found from this option. So option B also a incorrect option. Now taking option C. So option C, it means first blank it means B, second it means A, third it means A, fourth it means B, and fifth it means B. Now check the pattern. B A, A B, double A, double B, A B, A B. So no defined pattern was found from this option. So here option C also a incorrect option. Now taking option C. So first blank it means A, second blank it means B, third blank it means B, fourth blank it means A, now fifth blank it means B. Now check the pattern. So pattern is AB, 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 AB. Yes, a defined pattern was found with this option. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Janki started from her house and walked 2 kilometers towards north. Then she took a right turn and covered 1 kilometer. Then she took again a right turn and walked for 2 kilometers. In which direction is she facing? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is the north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So now in this question, Janki started from her house. Let's suppose A is the house of Janki. Now Janki moved 2 kilometers towards north. She moves 2 kilometers towards north direction. And then she took a right turn. She took a right turn and walked 1 kilometer and covered 1 kilometer. Then she took again a right turn. Then she took again a right turn and walked for 2 kilometer and walked for 2 kilometer. Now, in which direction is she facing? So now she is facing towards the south direction. So final facing of Janki towards the south direction. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Find the mirror image of given letters. AB is a mirror. So in mirror image, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of S, because S is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of S. So mirror image of S looks something like this. This is the mirror image of N. This is mirror image of O. This is the mirror image of I. This is the mirror image of T. This is the mirror image of A. This is the mirror image of M. And mirror image of R, something like this. Mirror image of O. Mirror image of F looks something like as follows. This is the mirror image of N and this is the mirror image of I. So this is the correct mirror image of given letters. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Rakesh is on 9th position from upward and on 38th position from downward in a class. How many students are there in the class? Find the total number of students in this class. Position of Rakesh is 9th from the top and position of Rakesh is 38 from the bottom. Find the total student. Find the total student. So total student of the class is equals to top position plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Rakesh is 9 and bottom position of Rakesh is 38 minus 1. 9 plus 38 it means 47 minus 1. 47 minus 1 it means 46. So there are 46 students in this class. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. In a line of boys there are 45 boys. Ranjan is 15th from the right side. What is the position of Ranjan from the left side? So here total number of students of the class is 45. Position of Ranjan from the right is equals to 15. Now find the position of Ranjan from the left. So formula of position from the left is equals to total number of students minus position of the right side of the same person plus 1. So here total is equals to 45 minus position of Ranjan from the right is 15 plus 1. So 45 plus 1, it means 46 minus 15. So it means 31st. Position of Ranjan from the left is 31st. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to sequentially replace the asterisk sign and balance the given equation. So equation options are taking one by one and then check which options will follow correctly. So here first taking option A, 17. So first asterisk means multiply 6. Second asterisk means divided by 3. Third asterisk means minus 7. Fourth asterisk means plus 55. And fifth asterisk means is equals to 82. Now using board mass in this equation, so first divide the number. So 17 multiply by 6 divided by 3, it means 2. Minus 7 plus 55 is equals to 82. Now multiply the numbers. So 17 multiplied by 2, it means 34 minus 7 plus 55 is equals to 82. Now add the numbers 34 and 55. It means 89 minus 7 is equals to 82. 89 minus 7, it means 82. Always equals to 82. So here LHS is equals to RHS. So here option A is the correct answer of this question, because option A is a balance the given equation. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number. Determine the value of given expression using board mass. So equation is 24 divided by bracket 6 minus 2 plus 5 into 10 minus 2. So first solve the brackets. So 24, 6 minus 2, it means 4, plus 5 into 10 minus 2. Now divide the numbers. So 24 divided by 4, it means 6 plus 5 into 10 minus 2. Now multiply the numbers. 6 plus 5 into 10, it means 50 minus 2. Now add the numbers. So 6 plus 50, it means 56 minus 2. 56 minus 2, it means 54. So value of given expression is 54. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Figure out from amongst the 4 alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. So fold the sheet along to the dotted line. So this sheet will be folded in this direction. So when we fold the sheet along to the dotted line, then we get a image something like this. This is the folded part. So now we fold the sheet along to the dotted line, then we get a image something like this. So this is the correct folded sheet. So here option B, because second is the correct folded sheet. So option B is the correct answer of this question. So we have completed the paper solution. We hope you have understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And all kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So subscribe this channel for more updates, and you can also get the new updates on our WhatsApp channel. So join the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new updates regarding the Olympiad and other information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.